Asset security, career clauses, and pre-negotiated lifestyle terms, the Indian arranged marriage is undergoing a radical rebranding in this era. It's no longer just a union of families. It's a high-stakes business partnership where horoscope sync has been replaced by the lifestyle sync. Is modern marriage losing its soul to these checklists, or is a pre-marriage contract the only way to survive the complexities of urban India? Hello and welcome. I'm Ashia. And for decades, the Indian wedding was defined by tradition, communities, and compromises. But as we navigate in this era, a new wave of urban professionalism is rewriting the rules. From negotiating property equity to setting boundaries on parental visits before the first date, the transactional marriage is becoming a new urban reality today. And we are looking at the four key shifts transforming the social contract of marriages in India. In an era of economic volatility and high urban inflation, marriage is increasingly being viewed through the lens of risk management. And for the modern couple, demands for the joint property ownership or pre-planned career breaks are no longer seen as greed. They are the financial safety nets. We are seeing a fundamental shift in the conversations. It has moved from the regressive, what can your family give to mine, to more equitable, what can we build together. And in 2026, transparency about assets and liabilities is the first step toward the stable partnership in a marriage. The second pillar of the checklist marriage is functional compatibility. Today's urban couples are prioritizing daily logistic over the traditions. And we are seeing domestic health clauses and parenthood timelines being negotiated upfront. Why? Because the domestic friction remains the leading cause of early divorces. While nearly 90% of the men in 2026 are comfortable with their partner out earning them, the struggle often remains in the division of household labor. Negotiating these chores before the wedding is not just a trend, it's a strategy to prevent the burnout. Perhaps the most significant shift is the expectation of emotional ROI or return on investment. Young professionals spending 10 to 12 hours in a high pressure corporate environments now demand a partner who acts as a cheerleader and a co-manager of mental health. And the viral debate online highlights a growing friction when one partner treats the marriage as a sanctuary and the other treats it as another managed project. And the transactional feeling can lead to deep emotional exhaustion also. And finally, we are witnessing a hybrid identity conflict. There is a tension between wanting the autonomy of a love marriage and the perceived safety of an arranged marriage. While nearly 80% of matrimonial profiles in this era are self-created, users still crave the vetting and social status that comes with family-approved match. And this creates a modern paradox. We want a partner who is independent and career-driven, but we also want them to adhere to the traditional culture, decorum, and the family visit. So, is urban India's transactional shift a cold, soul-crushing contract, or is it a necessary evolution for a generation that values transparency over tradition? How do you feel about this shift? Does a pre-marriage checklist prevent future heartbreak, or does it kill the very romance it meant to protect? Please comment below and stay with NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.